Aloha! Welcome back to my hula course. Today we'll learn how to do our last step called Hela. In this lecture, I'll explain both good and bad example of Hela, and we're going to work it out together with the ipu drum. So let's get started. Hela basically is a step that you point your toe and bring it back into the center. Point your toe, bring it back in. Point your toe, bring it back in. Repeat. Stretch out your legs to 45 degrees out each time you do this. Key point in Hela is to sway your hips along the way. As you point your toe, make sure your hip comes up to the opposite side. Also, be conscious about your head position. Keep it same position every time. You don't want to bounce your body like this. One of the common mistakes in Hela is that you put your heels out, but it's actually your toe that you want to point out. It looks like this with a beat of ipu drum. Now let's try together with the ipu drum. You can start with your own timing. Excellent! Let us review how to do the Hela. First, make a basic posture. Second, step out your toe and bring it back to the center. Sway your hips along the way. Make sure your head position doesn't change while you step Hela. Mahalo and see you in my next video.